Best bank for newcomers to Canada. You're lucky to be a proud new resident of Canada. You know why? Aside from the fact that Canada is an open, prosperous democracy that thrives on its diversity, that is because we have one of the world's, if not the world's, best banking systems. Our system of chartered banks combines the innovative range of products you would expect from a major bank in the US. With the solid stability that our financial institutions have built up over the years, Canadian chartered banks weathered the 2008 financial crisis better than most. Are they as big as an HSBC or a Wells Fargo? No, but they're every bit as good and even more trustworthy, with solid financial structures that can weather most any event. And Canadian chartered banks would love to have your business. All the major banks have special packages aimed at people exactly like you, who have recently arrived in Canada to start a new life with your families or on your own. Here's what they're offering. 6. HSBC. They offer a variety of packages, but have fairly high requirements. HSBC Advance 1, for example, offers the following: checking and savings accounts, HSBC MasterCard, personal line of credit. Open your Canadian bank account from abroad before arriving. Transfer your HSBC credit history to Canada. View all your HSBC global accounts with one login. Transfer funds instantly between your global HSBC accounts. Sounds good, right? But wait. Here are the requirements within 6 months of arriving in Canada. You must have a personal deposit or investment of at least 25,000 Canadian dollars or a personal mortgage balance of 150,000 Canadian dollars or more, both with HSBC Canada. 5. Scotiabank. They offer the following benefits: 300 Canadian dollars when you open a checking account eligible for the cashback. Monthly fee waived when you maintain a daily balance. V credit card. Small safety deposit box free for 1 year. Car loan. Mortgage. Scotia iTrade account with 1,000 Canadian dollars investment earns 10 free trades. Be sure to bring the following documents to prove your PR card or one of Form IMM 5202, IMM 5688, valid passport or Canadian driver's license or other valid photo ID. Note: Scotiabank offers accounts for study permit and work permit holders as well. Four. CIBC. They offer the following benefits: everyday checking account with no fees for 1 year, unlimited Interac transfers, 55 Canadian dollars cashback refund on a safety deposit box, CIBC Advantage debit card. 3. TD Bank. They offer the following benefits: a checking account with no monthly fee for the first 6 months, savings account with a bonus interest rate for the first 6 months, unsecured TD credit card with no credit history with credit limit of up to 5,000 Canadian dollars, international money transfers by Visa Direct with 1 transfer per month free of charge for the first 6 months, possibility of mortgage with no credit history. Be sure to bring the following documentation to prove you're eligible: PR card or one of Form IMM 5292, IMM 1442, IMM 1208, IMM 1202, passport or Canadian driver's license, or Canadian government ID card. Be sure to bring the following documents to prove your PR card or one of Form IMM 5202, IMM 5688, valid passport or Canadian driver's licence, or other valid photo ID. 2. BMO Bank of Montreal. They offer the following benefits. Your performance plan checking account will be free with no fees for the first year, including unlimited transactions. BMO New Start program includes your choice of type of BMO MasterCard credit card, BMO Air Miles MasterCard, BMO Cashback MasterCard, or BMO SPC Air Miles MasterCard. You can send money to your family back home several ways. By opening your online banking account, you can access Western Union from your computer and send money directly back to your home country. You can wire money through your local branch, and you can send an Interac e-transfer within Canada. Additional 0.25% interest on your 1 to 5 year GICs with a minimum of 1,000 Canadian dollars investment. Free small size safety deposit box or 25% off a larger safety deposit box. If you are arriving from China, you may open your Canadian bank accounts through the local BMO China subsidiaries, branches in Shanghai, Guangzhou, or Beijing, before you land in Canada. Be sure to bring the following documents so you can prove you qualify. Landed immigrants, PR card, or one of Form IMM 1000, IMM 1442, IMM 5292, or IMM 5688, foreign passport or Canadian driver's licence. Foreign workers, IMM 1442, work permit. Passport, employee ID card with photo. 1. RBC Royal Bank. They offer the following benefits. Your first credit card with the bank comes with no credit history required and no annual fee on selected cards. Your first mortgage also does not require a credit history. You must still meet financial eligibility metrics in both cases. No monthly fees for your bank account for 9 months. RBC International Money Transfer. Your first car loan with no credit history required at 3,500 specific dealerships across the country. Preferred exchange rates on foreign transactions for the first 12 months after signing up for an account. Preferred interest rates on guaranteed investment certificates, GIC. Small size safety deposit box with fees waived for up to 2 years. 50 Canadian dollars when you open up your first business account with RBC. Be sure to bring the following documents to prove that you are a newcomer. Your landing papers or PR card, and foreign passport. Other options. Tangerine and President's Choice Financial are online low-cost banks where you save on fees, which add up a lot over time. If you're comfortable doing your banking online from your home computer, then you should take a look at these 2 options. They may not have all the bonuses some of the big banks will give you, but you will spend less with them over the years. A note about debit cards. Through the Interact Payments system, most Canadians use debit cards when they shop. They are accepted just about everywhere in Canada, and all major banks and credit unions offer them. They link to your bank account and are not like credit cards. You need money in your bank account for your debit card to function. Get used to using your debit card. It's part of life in Canada. Services in your language. If you require foreign language services, many bank branches have bilingual staff in large urban centres like Vancouver or Toronto. This is not a guaranteed service, however, especially depending on what language you speak, so you should be prepared to do your banking in English or French, especially if you're not settling in a neighbourhood in Montreal, Toronto or Vancouver that has a lot of people who speak your language. Comparing what each bank has to offer you as a client is vital. Shop around and get the best deal for your situation. While RBC has an impressive list of benefits, the flexibility of money transfer options offered by BMO might be more valuable to you. HSBC, on the other hand, is generally for higher net worth individuals, especially ones who have previously banked with HSBC at one of its world-spanning web of subsidiaries. See what they each have to offer you as far as mortgages are concerned. Do not be shy. It's your money they will be taking care of, and you have every right to ask as many questions as needed in order to feel secure that you've made the right choice.